Okay, so I just received my EliteBook back from HP regarding a USB 2.0 port on the right hand side not working, and they have returned it saying that it is working properly. So we are going to test this. I have not turned the computer on, all I have done is hook it up. So we are going to open the lid, and I'm going to press the power button, and we're going to wait for the computer to turn on, and we shall see if it is fixed. And we're starting Windows. And I'm going to log in. And we are at the desktop, and I'm just going to show you today's date and time. If you can see that, not sure if you can or not, but it is 5:01 p.m. on April 4th, 2012. So I have two USB drives that I'm going to be testing with. So I'm going to pick up the PNY USB drive, and I'm going to stick it in the offending port. And as we can see, we get power. However, I do not hear any dinging that tells me that the device is recognized. So I'm going to go to my computer, and as you can see, I have no drive, no USB drive. So I'm going to exit out of here, and I'm going to go to Manage, and wait for that to come up. And I'm going to go to Device Manager. And I'm going to scan for hardware changes. Now this should bring up the device if Windows recognizes it, and I do not see any new devices. So I'm going to go to Disk Management, and as you can see down at the bottom, I'm still only seeing my two DVD drives and my C drive. So the USB drive is not working. However, if I unplug it and plug it into a different port on the computer, Windows sees it, and as you can see right there, it pops up asking me what I want to do with the drive. Do I want to open folder to view files, or use this drive for backup, or whatever, any other such task. So we know it works in the other USB ports. So I'm going to unplug this one, and I'm going to take the external hard drive and hook it up to the offending port. Notice where the offending port is on my computer. It is right next to the brushed metal near the top, where the black and the brushed metal meets. So I'm going to plug it in, and I do not have any lights on my external hard drive telling me that it is connected and recognized. And I'll just back up to give you a full view here. So it's just the one setup, and we are in the offending port. However, if I unplug from the offending port and move to a different port, notice how this port is below the where the black and the brushed metal meets, and Windows is going to recognize it. As you can see, I have a blue light on my external hard drive, and Windows shows up asking me what I want to do with it. Same question: do I want to open folder to view files, use it for backup, whatever. So the offending port is still not working, and the offending port being the USB 2.0 port right here. So HP has not fixed the issue.